for today. Thank you. You're welcome. No church. Carry on. You're welcome.
It's unreal. It's like a dream. I mean, look at it. Like, you don't see this in any other part of the country. But let's go up to that
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
How many feet is it?
620.
Wow. It's kind of a windy day, but it's also a little bit more windy because, yeah, we have the tunnel effect here.
You want to go to that point?
Sometimes I wanna cry. Most people try to aim to please, but a lot of them are kinda weak in the knees. Learning late about the birds and the bees, falling in love and wanna be set free. Playing ball at the age of 13, everybody's growing up with a dream. I never noticed what could happen to me. Time flies when you're walking the streets. 1 minute got you holding the nails, the next minute got you fall on your face. The mean city is a nasty place. Only a rat can win the rat race. Peace to the people who be falling away. Peace, God, to make it home today. And peace to the people who be trying to find some kind of life. Sometimes I feel like I could do anything, yeah. Sometimes I'm so alive.
Alright, what are you gonna do?
Okay, we're gonna make a wish and
Sometimes
we're making like a wishing pool. So we're both gonna make a wish and throw it down there together.
So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth,
So now our
it was
wish is gonna come
worth
true,
all the
Amanda?
while.
Our wish is going to come true.
Yeah, I mean, look how many other wishes are